Hello everyone, happy all. I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting hairstyling video tutorial where we are going to teach you how to make some unique and lovely grafts. Are you guys excited for the same? So let's get started. Let's find out what are we gonna do here. You have to just secure your hair further, make the braids in this manner, get some hair out to give it a messy look like this and just make it look awesome. You have to pin it up in a crisscross position and this is gonna look amazing. Now here you need to tie the hair further, get them beautifully secured, roll them up in this way and then secure them up in this manner, get a lovely bun made. Isn't it beautiful enough? Now proceeding here, you have to take the partitions from the left hand side and let's see what are we gonna do. You have to secure it to the other side and make a beautiful lovely looking bun. Now let's have a look what are we gonna do next and what lovely surprises are there in for you. You have to just get the hair, secure them together in this manner and getting them beautifully pinned up in this way. This is gonna look amazing. And now doing it from the middle, what are we going to do? You have to secure the hair as per the video here and then beautifully securing them up in this manner, pin them up in this way. This is gonna look amazing. Now here what are we going to do? You have to just get the hair, beautifully roll them up in this manner and get them secured like this. You have to make them up look like this and this is gonna look amazing. Isn't it pretty enough? Now proceeding as per the video, now what are we going to do? You have to just get the hair, get it to the other side and now you need to secure it further in this manner. This is gonna look amazing. And now what are we going to do? You have to just do it beautifully and then get them pinned up in this way. This is gonna look amazing. Proceeding here, you have to just make the beautiful lovely looking bun. Now we are doing the partitions, you need to make the 3 braids and further you need to just pack them up together and then pin it up from the top and getting them beautifully secured. Isn't it lovely enough? Now here what are we going to do? You have to just get the hair, roll them up from the sides and then tackle them up, get a lovely bun made with the help of decorative clutches and all. You need to pin them up. Now here you need to just do the partitions and again you're gonna roll the hair up in this way and then get a lovely and messy look and this is gonna look amazing. You have to just take the hairs out from the corners and get it pinned up in this way. Now here again you need to just do the partitions like this, get it to the other side and make a lovely looking bun in this manner. This is gonna look so precise and amazing. Now here again proceeding, now we need to just secure the hair further in this way, get them beautifully pinned up like this and then you need to take the hairs out and then secure them up, pin it up in this way and this is gonna look damn pretty and amazing. Now here again you need to just roll the hair further, just make the braids in this manner and then secure them up like this. This is gonna look amazing.